Well, hi guys. I did this video yesterday, and guess what? I have a spare side of paper. So I'm going to talk about equivalent fractions. I kind of mentioned them last time in the last video. Um, well, I hope the shadows here. Oh dear, don't get in the way. Let's see. Well, I make do with what I could here. Equivalent fractions. Um, let's say you have let's see, can that be shown here? Yeah, 5 out of 10, right? And you know that's half. If you divide um, those two, you would get um, 0.5, right? Like that. So that's a fraction. If you divide the numerator by the denominator, you get the decimal equivalent of that fraction as a one decimal value. Okay, so if you have 5 or 10, but 5 out of 10, that's the proper way to say the fraction. If you multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same value, you get another equivalent fraction. So say 2, if we multiply each by 2, I'm not going to show that multiplying, but I'm just going to say that 5 times 2 is 10, and 10 times 2 is 20. And if you were to divide that again, you would get 0.5. That's what it means to be equivalent fraction. They're the same value. Okay. Just the same, if you started out with 10 out of 20, divide numerator and denominator by the same value, say 2, you would get 5 out of 10. You see, it's still half. It's still the same value, even though you divided and made it less. The fraction, lower terms, they would call that. It's still the same fraction, so it's an equivalent fraction. And that's what that means. Okay, thank you.